welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be testing W7 makeup products, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my review on all these products because I actually did test this out already. The question is, are they actually worth in getting, even though they're actually very affordable? If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. If you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I'm going to apply each products and then I'll be able to tell you guys what my thoughts are. Be able to see how these products actually applied on my skin, and you'll be able to see the outcome as well. Okay, so I've already tried my skin. There's sponge. This is called the Power Puff foundation sponge, and this is actually latex free. Got the W7 Prime Magic. It's actually got a silicone base. This modifies my pores and also my fine lines. Also got a couple of foundation that I actually did test it out. W7 Photo Shoot Foundation, 16-hour Beige Proof Foundation. One is the W7 Genius Foundation. This is the Feather Light Foundation. Find the Genius Feather Light Foundation on this side, and then on this side the Photo Shoot Foundation. In that way you'll be able to see the difference. A very lightweight and a very liquidy foundation. Foundation sponge is actually not a bad sponge. It's actually hard at the start, but as soon as you wet it, it actually softer. Got this shade Fresh Beige, but this one actually didn't last long on my skin, as you can see. So this is the Genius Feather Light Foundation, guys. It's got a very light coverage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the Photo Shoot Foundation on this side. Photo Shoot Foundation, I would say it's actually got a medium coverage, and it's actually a buildable coverage. Foundation, guys, actually lasted whole day on my skin. I mean, this is actually dried as a semi-matte finish. This one's still a little bit wet. Did like this foundation compare from this foundation. This foundation actually didn't last longer on my skin, but this one did. I think it's because of the coverage. This has actually got a better coverage than this Genius W7 foundation. It really depends what sort of coverage you like. So this is more like a very light wet foundation, and this is more like a medium coverage foundation. Both these foundations are actually buildable. 7 Banana Dream powder, and then I'm just gonna grab a little bit on my sponge, and then I'm going to dab the excess on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. So just be very careful with this because it's a very yellow. It's probably more noticeable if you do have a light skin tone or a darker skin tone. It did help to make the foundation lasted longer. The bronzer that I picked, and this is the bronzer matte compact. Okay, I actually didn't quite like this bronzer, guys, because it's actually very patchy. I don't know if you guys can see it. It actually leaving a patchy when it actually applied on my skin. I mean, I actually do use a very soft brush, and I'm also doing a very light application, but unfortunately it's very patchy. W7 Duo Blusher. This is in the shade 01. Actually it does come in a small brush, but I actually didn't like using this brush. In both these colors, it's a little bit powdery, the formula. I actually quite like this blush, you guys. It's actually got that pigment It is a matte finish, this blush. Got two highlighters here, which is the Glow Commotion Pink It Up. This one here. Love this highlighter, guys. So we're just gonna swatch them. So no. See how pigmented it is, guys. Look. Just gonna be applying it on my bridge of my nose. Keep it full. I'm gonna apply the Pink It Up on here, and then I'll be applying this on the other side of my face. The brows. So that's your wax highlighter, and you got two different shades here, lighter shade and a darker shade, and you also get a tweezer and a spoolie and an angle brush. I think I did try the wax before. I'm just applying it on the back of my hand first. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade because the lighter shade I actually find it very light. Formula is a little bit powdery. I mean, you're getting that pigment, but it's just really hard to work on it. Didn't work for me, guys, because of the shade. It's actually got a reddish undertone. The Power All Day Wear Eyeshadow Base Primer. This one here's actually helped to get my eyeshadow lasted whole day. You guys, very pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna use that banana powder to set the primer. With the eyeshadow palette, I've got the W7 Blazing. It's come in a shimmer and a matte shade. I'm gonna be applying this shade here, but the shades are actually labeled at the back too, guys. So I'm just applying this all over my lid. I have pigment on it. So easy to blend these eyeshadows. Okay, this shade here called Hot Sauce. So I'm just be applying this just above my crease. It's called Hot AF. One here I actually find it a little bit hard to blend, and it's also I feel like it didn't have enough pigment. Go with this shimmer shade here, guys. You need to wet the brush when you actually applying the shimmer shade. In that way, it's actually giving you more pigment. Just gonna curl my lashes. Okay, I picked up these lashes here. It's called Absolute Lashes. I actually didn't quite like this formula because it's a dry formula, guys. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna be applying my false lashes off camera, and I'll be back. A couple of lipsticks, guys. I actually got a creamy formula. The Too Fabulous Yes shade, metallic shade, and the other shade is Too Fabulous Legacy. Applying this type of lipstick from W7, this creamy lipstick one, is to use a lip brush. So they also do have fragrance too, guys. Right, so lastly I've got the setting spray, which is the Fixer Face Spray. Got a little bit of scent, guys. Highlighters from W7. They're actually probably the best products that I've tried out of all these products here, guys. So this is definitely the ones that I'm going to be keeping. Budget, guys, at W7 makeup range, they're actually not a bad makeup at all, guys. Very happy overall with the outcome of these W7 products, guys. I hope I've actually did help you out in today's video. Down below, guys, if you use any of the W7 products and which one's your favorite, and please let me know also what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.